Hi everyone, and welcome to another tree plotter tutorial. Let's talk about inspections. Inspections can either be viewed for the total inventory in the inspections data table or on a per tree basis from the inspections tab in the tree details form. Let's say we need to go out and inspect this tree. From the tree preview window, I can select the shortcut button to open the inspection window, or I can open the tree details form and then click the inspect button up top. This will open up the inspection form where we can populate certain fields. So the condition of the tree is now good, and the DBH has increased to 14. I will also make some observations about the tree. If your specific application is missing any observations in the inspections form that you would like to see in there, please let us know and we can configure those for you. The date and user who performed the inspection will automatically be recorded, and I can add some notes if needed. It is also possible to attach photos to the inspection. I'll want to check this box to update tree with inspection results, then any changes I make here will be reflected in the tree details form. If your tree plotter application has the work order management module, you can also quickly create a work record and create or add to a job right from the inspection form by checking these boxes. When I'm done filling out the form, I'll click the Submit button at the bottom. Now, when I go into the Inspections tab in the Tree Details form, this table will contain the inspection we just completed. This will show all historical inspections that have been performed over time. I can check the box next to an inspection and export the records to a CSV or shapefile, or view the detailed inspection form. Checking the boxes for multiple inspections will allow me to quickly tab through the inspections and see any changes over time. Thanks for watching, and keep a lookout for more training videos coming soon.